So exercise 8.1 question number 4. Okay, question is given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and secant A. Okay, so given 15 cot A equal to 8. So cot A equal to 8 by 15. We know that cot A equal to formula adjacent by opposite. So here therefore adjacent value is 8. Compare these two values. So we get adjacent value is 8 and opposite value is 15. So apply. First draw the right angle triangle. 90 degree. This is a degree. So this is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse side and this is the adjacent side. Okay. Where put the names A, B. So theta at A. So this is theta. So this is A. Then this is B and this is C. Okay. So theta at A irukadnala. Okay. Next. So adjacent value is 8. So this is 8 and opposite value is 15. So now find out the hypotenuse value. So hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Here opposite value is 15. So 15 square plus 8 square. Where 15 into 15 225 plus 8 square is 64. So answer is 9, 8. So 289. So 17 into 17 multiply. 17 is 289. 7 sevens are 49. 1 4. 1 sevens are 7. 7 plus 4 we get 11. 1 sevens are 7. 1 ones are 1. So we get 289. Therefore it can be written as 17 square. So hypotenuse square equal to 17 square. Taking square root on both sides. So square root and square will be cancelled. We get hypotenuse equal to 17. Okay. So in centimeter. So hypotenuse equal to 17. Hypotenuse is AB. So AB is 17. Therefore AB value is 17. Okay. Next. So next we find out the sin A. So sin A. What is the formula of sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite value is 15. Then hypotenuse value is 17. This is the value of sin A. Next secant A. Secant A formula is, this is reciprocal of cos A. So hypotenuse by adjacent. So where hypotenuse value is 17 and adjacent value is 8. This is a solution of secant A. So sum will be finished. Next question number 5. Okay. Question is given secant theta equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometrical ratios. Okay. So secant A theta equal to 13 by 12 is given. So find out the other trigonometrical values. So overall 6 trigonometrical values. Now we need to find out the secant theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta and cot theta values. So first we will draw the right angle triangle in 90 degree. This is theta. So put the names A, B and C because theta. So theta place here. So secant theta equal to 13 by 12. We know that secant theta equal to formula hypotenuse by adjacent. So here the hypotenuse, comparing these two values. So hypotenuse value is 13. Then adjacent value is 12. So this is the hypotenuse side and theta opposite this opposite side and this is the adjacent side. So hypotenuse value is 13 and adjacent value is 12. Using the Pythagoras rule, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So where opposite value equal to, so find it pananu. Adjacent value is 12, so 12 square. Hypotenuse value is 13, so 13 square. Okay, next 13 square, answer is 169. Opposite square, 12 square value is 144. So 169, 145 inside konundunga. So minus 144 equal to opposite square. So subtract panna we find 25 equal to opposite square. So 25 na 5 square equal to opposite square. Taking square root on both sides. Square root and square will be cancelled. Here also square root and square will be cancelled. Therefore opposite equal to 5. So again draw the right angle triangle. 90 degree. This is hypotenuse. Value is 13. A, B, C. This is the opposite side. This is theta 12. So opposite value is 5. Now you find out the sin theta. So sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Where opposite value is 5. Then hypotenuse value is 13. This is the value of sin theta. Next cos theta. This is a reciprocal of secant theta. So 1 by secant theta. Already secant theta value is given. Secant theta value is 13 by 12. So taking reciprocal 12 by 13. This is the value of cos theta. Next tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, where the opposite value is 5 and adjacent value is 12. This is a solution of tan theta. Okay. Next cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta. Already find out the sin theta value. Sin theta value is 5 by 13. So 5 by 13. Taking reciprocal we get 13 by 5. This is the value of cosecant theta. Secant theta value is given. Already question is given. So next now we have find out the cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta value is 5 by 12. Taking reciprocal we get 12 by 5. This is the answer of cot theta. So question number 5 will be finished. Next